What's up, reseller community? I'm Quan here, another reseller coming at you. Today, right now, in this moment, I am going towards the way to get to the auction place I usually deal with. I'm going to pick up, it's not much, it's just some 8-tracks, and I bid on them, and I honestly didn't care if I want them or not. I only was kind of getting them just because I have an 8-track player and I wanted to test out the player, see if it actually works or not. So I bidded on them and I ended up getting them. But the crazy thing about it, I ended up going to Savers and it was a half off day, and I bought about 3 bags of 8-tracks because it was $1 a piece. So that's when, after I bought that, that's when I was hoping I didn't win the ones that I bidded on, but I did, so it's all good. Just put them on eBay, see what happens. I mean, well, first I'm gonna have to go through them and make sure they are sellable, and hopefully that 8-track player that I do have actually works. I never knew if it works or not, and then I had that listed on eBay for a few months now, so I'm gonna just see if that works, and hopefully it does. And if it do, then I could test the rest of those 8-tracks to see if those are working. So right now, that's where I'm heading. Well, first I'm heading to the post office to drop off a calendar that I sold today. Somebody just bought for $9.99, no free shipping. It was just something that my wife actually had from one of her clients that she works with, and they get calendars. And first I wasn't going to put it up there, but I ended up thinking about it, like at least it could generate a sale. Like, it's not really much of profit in it. I mean, it's a little, I think I profit off what, $5, I mean, from getting it free after all taxes. I mean, not taxes, but the fees and everything, and plus shipping. So I got left with $5.10. So I mean, it's still good, get something free instead of having to pay cost of goods, because I probably would have never even listed it if I had to actually pay for it. But it generated a sale, which is good, as far as to my store. So sometimes I try to trickle little cheap things in there just to keep the momentum of sales up. Then once I get those few little cheap sales, I eventually start getting those bigger sales that I have in my store. So it kind of works hand in hand. You just got to keep at it. But, well, enough of me talking. So I'm going ahead and get these, and I'll meet y'all guys in a minute. So peace out. What up, y'all? Back here. Got everything set, but ain't much. But let me go ahead and show y'all what I got as far as the 8-tracks. This is what I have. So this is all of them. Like I said, I don't know if they will work or not, but after I got some 8-tracks, I didn't need them no more, but I ended up winning this, so I guess I'll take it and see what I can do with them. But these are different ones. I don't know everything that's in there, even though I'm looking, but I don't know too much of 8-tracks, but hopefully they can sell and get out of my hair. So to be honest, I mean, I paid for all of these $20.33. So hopefully they sell quick. I'm gonna price them low, depending on how much each one is. Well, I'm gonna sell them in a lot regardless. To be honest, I might just sell them all in one lot. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it's gonna get done. But $20.33, I think I can make my money back. I mean, even if I don't get a big profit off of it, it's okay, because I really didn't want to deal with it no way, but I am, so I take it as it is. So that's it for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these listed, or try to figure out. Actually, I'm gonna look at the 8-track that I do have, the 8-track player. Hopefully it does work. Hope so. But if it don't, it don't. And I just try to get rid of these tapes. But till then, I'll see y'all guys next time, and I'm out. Peace.